Hello guys. Okay guys, hari ni I nak buat review tentang shampoo and conditioner dari Botaneco Garden. Okay, so basically I pernah try dia punya body lotion and it's one of the best body lotion I pernah try. So korang boleh tengok kat link bawah dekat my description pasal my review tentang body lotion dia. Okay, so basically Botaneco Garden ni korang boleh dapat dekat Guardian Malaysia. Normal price dia is around RM20 macam tu. Tapi I beli masa promotion buy one free one. So RM20 untuk dua ni, jadi around RM10 satu botol ni. Okay, and dia punya quantity is 500 ml untuk conditioner and 500. Sorry korang, ni conditioner sebenarnya. Inilah shampoo dia sebenarnya. Okay, so I share a few other conditioner juga yang I nak reviewkan kat korang. So basically shampoo dia ni conditioner dia. Sorry, pat. Okay, ini okay, shampoo dia is 500 ml. Dia punya conditioner is also 500 ml. Other than this, yang tadi I tunjuk juga yang ni, yang ingat dia shampoo dia, sorry pump dia rosak sikit. Okay, ini pun 500 ml, ni pun 500 ml. Alright. Apa benefits dia? Okay, sebab I pernah try body lotion dia, so that's why I decided to try dia punya lotion and conditioner. And time tu jugalah dia ada buat promotion, so that's why I nak beli. Alright, so benefits dia, kalau nak beli satu shampoo atau nak beli conditioner, tengok apa yang korang tengah cari sebenarnya. Kalau korang tengah cari untuk lembapkan rambut, untuk repair rambut korang, atau rambut korang frizzy, atau hairfall, atau macam ni, so ikut preferences korang. Macam I ambil yang damage repair, sebab dia boleh reduce cuticle damage and also straighten my hair. So I think untuk rambut I nak benda tu, sebab I tak nak rambut I rosak. Okay, and then dia boleh repair my punya rambut, kerasukan rambut I. And rambut I pun jenis macam frizzy, and I pun selalu dye rambut. So that's why I cakap, okay lah, let's try the damage repair punya ni. Sebab dia ada banyak range tau. So range yang I pilih is damage repair. Untuk conditioner pun I beli yang sama, which is the damage repair. And this is the organic Camellia and rice oil. So dia ada juga Camellia seed oil from Japan. So dua benda ni. And I juga beli conditioner dia. Okay, yang satu ni ialah trio oil. Dia ada 3 jenis oil. Dia ada basabu, baobab and truffle oil. And dia untuk, apa benefits dia ialah untuk hair fall control. Alright, and dia pun juga contain sunflower oil untuk strengthens my hair. Okay, and then yang ini ialah I tak pernah cuba lagi sebab I nak habiskan 2 conditioner ni dulu. Alright, tapi yang ini pun dia trio oil. Ada 3 jenis oil yang I mention tadi, tapi dia punya function is to buat rambut kita smooth and silky. Sebab dia ada Calendula extract yang boleh melembutkan rambut kita. Alright, so I tak pernah try ni lagi, tapi I just nak tunjuk kat korang lah. Okay, kita tengok bau dia dengan tekstur dia. Okay, so just nak beritahu korang, bila I pakai shampoo dia keluar bubble yang agak banyak. So I suka bila ada banyak bubble, so rasa lebih fresh. Okay, dia punya rupa, tekstur dia, it's like a gel kind of texture, very transparent. Macam cakap tadi, dia keluar bubble, and korang tak perlu letak banyak, and dia boleh, korang tak perlu picit banyak kali untuk keluarkan bubble. Dia just picit according to length rambut korang, and just buat shampoo. Macam I selalu picit around 4 hingga 5 kali, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then cukup untuk my satu rambut. Okay, bau dia. Okay, body lotion dia pun, I ada body lotion yang organic Camellia rice oil. To be honest, one of the best bau yang I suka dekat body lotion semua memang organic Camellia rice oil. And body lotion dia macam cakap tadi lah, bau dia sama. Even shampoo dia pun I suka bau dia. I tak tahu lah guys, I suka bau Camellia rice oil ni, range ni. It's so good tau guys. Bau dia macam bau beras, tapi like beras yang berperfume, and it's like really lemak kind of smell tau. Like a lemak lotion kind of smell. So bila I letakkan rambut I rasa macam bau kat saloon pun. It's so good. I suka sangat-sangat. Okay, conditioner dia pun tengok, it's a milky thick kind of texture. Alright. And conditioner dia I suka bila I letak kat rambut I just picit dalam 3 kali. Okay, and letak kat my rambut. Dia spray really nice. Nicely. Sangat best dia spray. So it's very good. Okay. Itu yang rice oil punya. Okay, Hairfall control is the same texture. Dia punya smell is okay, bau dia macam bau pokok yang di blend plus a little bit macam aloe vera kind of smell. Okay. Tapi dia lebih kuat in terms of perfume. Kalau aloe vera tu kita tahu kan, tapi dia punya perfume lebih kuat sikit bau dia lah daripada bau macam aloe vera campur perfume, campur bau pokok. So dia punya bau is, I rasa susah nak cakap. Dia punya bau is like wangi tau. I suka bau dia. Tapi dia lebih macam plant kind of smell lah. Okay. Yang ini so I tak pernah cuba. Let's just give it a try. Okay. Ni bau macam pokok, tapi more on like serai juga. Kalau korang pergi spa yang bau kat serai dekat the whole spa tu, it's this kind of smell, tapi campur perfume. Sedap juga bau dia. Okay, so basically like for the whole 4 botol ni, the smell memang I suka semua. Like I said, bau memang I suka yang ni. This is like my ultimate favourite. Tapi I think after bau ni, this is like kind of nice smell juga. I kind of like this smell. So maybe it could be my favourite juga. Tapi I tak pernah cuba dekat my hair lagi, so it's hard to say. Tapi kalau dari segi smell, it's kind of my new favourite smell. Bau best juga. Okay, good. Alright, so let's talk about the review. Okay, alright. Let's start with the shampoo first. Okay, so basically shampoo there is, what I like is dia bila I picit 4 hingga 5 kali, it's like bubble. I suka that. And I rasa dia tahan lama lah. I mean for 500ml maybe, so I hair ni shampoo like 2 kali sehari. So it's kind of like tahan lama. I suka tekstur dia. Okay, I suka tekstur dia. Like dia agak boleh keluar banyak bubble. What I don't like is dia buat rambut I keras. I rasa macam bila once I habis shampoo tu, I rasa rambut I macam jadi kaku. So I don't like, there's something wrong yang buat rambut I kaku. I don't know why. Maybe it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, I'm not sure. But I don't like the feeling of kaku hair, or having a kaku hair. So I macam tak suka keras. Okay, so kalau korang tanya nak beli ke tak nak beli, I tak nak beli. Sebab I have my personal favourite shampoo, which is Kundal. Tapi I just nak try, give it a try to this shampoo. Maybe, you know, this is something that I might like. But I don't like. So I'm gonna go back to my old shampoo, which is Kundal. I will drop my review. I'll drop a link. So I pernah buat Kundal punya review, so korang boleh tengok. Kundal shampoo is like one of the best shampoo I pernah try. So I will not purchase this again for the shampoo. Korang mesti pelik kenapa ada 3 conditioner. The reason is because I really love dia punya conditioner. Okay, I super love dia punya conditioner. So basically kalau I cakap tadi ni kakukan rambut I, 3 ni bila I pakai, at first dia spray sangat bagus and sangat jimat tau guys. It's like super jimat. I suka gila. Dia sangat jimat, still macam banyak lagi. Alright, so that's why masih ada 3 botol lagi sebenarnya. And actually conditioner I suka tukar-tukar ikut hari because of the bau kan. I just nak tukar mana bau enak semua. That's why I still ada banyak lagi. Okay, sprayed really nice dekat my hair. And to be honest, like Hairfall control, I tak boleh cakap sama ada dia betul-betul like do it the job. The thing is because for me, kalau I nak kurangkan my hair gugur, I will find the shampoo yang ada Hairfall controls. Because I rasa kalau kita shampoo, it's like dia kena scalp, and our scalp is the one yang you know akan help dengan hair fall ke tak. So I'm not sure but really conditioner boleh tolong ke tak. I think it's like bila you pakai shampoo Hairfall control, you pakai conditioner, it's like 2 jenis benda yang sama, dan korang pakai it's like lebih berkesan lah. Ini satu saja. But I don't find my hair gugur lebih banyak. So it may be work. Maybe if I pakai dia punya Hairfall control punya shampoo, maybe it works well. Tapi rambut I pun tak gugur banyak sangat. So it's kind of okay. So maybe it does the job. I'm not so sure. Okay. And then dia punya damage repair, macam I cakap, it's so good. Conditioner sangat bagus. Rambut I jadi macam, okay, rambut I jenis sekarang yang frizzy, and I pun jenis yang dye rambut tau, like dye hair. I suka dye hair. So I suka colourkan rambut I lah. So I felt that dia macam lembutkan rambut I. Dia tak rambut I tak nampak frizzy and rasa macam lembut lah. So basically it's really good. I can cakap I suka sangat dia punya conditioner. To be honest, I suka conditioner. I rasa dia lembutkan rambut I, dia lembapkan rambut I, and then dia tak buat rambut I macam berminyak. And then lepas dah kering, dia tak buat rambut I flat. I rasa dia buat rambut I macam volume. So basically I baru shampoo rambut and I pakai conditioner ni. So basically kalau boleh nampak yang volume ni, I tak ada blow rambut I. So memang dia nampak macam volume tau. So I kind of suka. I memang suka. I think it does dia punya job. And as a conditioner in general, so memang dia buat kerja dia. As for this one, I tak boleh nak buat review because I never try it before yet. Tapi kalau dia tulis kat sini smooth and silky, I can like 100% bet lah it's gonna do dia punya job, which is make my hair smooth and silky. So I can give the guarantee of that lah. So yeah, basically I will like definitely purchase this conditioner. I think this is going to be my conditioner this is gonna be my conditioner yang I akan pakai every day, like every 2 days, sorry. So I hanya shampoo rambut like every 2 days. So this is gonna be like my ultimate conditioner. Okay, as for the shampoo, I'm not gonna be repurchasing it anymore. So it's not a bad shampoo. It's just that I don't like the result yang dia buat kat rambut I lah, like buat rambut I keras. So that's it. That's all about my review. I hope I help you guys. You know, like this review helped you guys in determining whether korang nak beli ke tak shampoo and conditioner. There's nothing bad about this brand. It's really good. Conditioner is good. Shampoo is not that bad. It's just that I don't like the end result. Basically, kalau korang have any question, just drop me a comment. Anything, I'll be happy to respond it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Mwah.